Hello everyone, this is the 402 Outdoorsman. I'm Tyler Parthimer. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in here on YouTube and Gunstreamer for Season 1, Episode 2. Today we're going to take a final look at our Fish Drops Carbon Totally Baitcaster Reel from our good friends at Fishing Savage. They provide us with some great gear. We're going to put it to the test today in the 402 on some nice bass. But before we do that, we got to get used to it and get some practice casting in. And just stick with us, and there's more to come. So as I begin to practice, I notice that this isn't just another cheap run-of-the-mill kind of reel. This is an exceptional reel for the price, and as soon as I begin to see the 7.2 to 1 gear ratio, I see that is a very fast retrieval. It's also worth noting that I noticed how lightweight it is as I was casting out line. It's pretty durable again with the carbon, but as you put on different lures, you'll want to adjust the tensioner adjustment knob and the brakes on the reel to get the best cast and to avoid the ultimate fisherman's nightmare in the bird's nest. Alright guys, so we're ready to go out in Nebraska and start catching some bass. It's going to be a little hot, a little windy, so we may not catch as many as we want, but we'll still prove that this reel is top notch, and we're going to prove that with our techniques and stuff that I've learned over the last couple of months to really help me with this bait caster and start catching some bass. So stick with us, and there's more to come. All right, folks, that's all we got for today's episode. I'd like to thank our partner Fishing Savage with the great gear we used today. And don't forget to head on over there to get some of the great gear we used. And don't forget to sign up with your email and subscribe with them, as they have the Tackle Tuesdays deal going on. So it's a great deal and you guys can save money on it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe here on YouTube, Gunstreamer, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Go Wild. This has been the 402 Outdoorsman. I'm Tyler Parthmer signing off. Thank you guys for watching and tune in next time.